Where am I? What's this? I'm gonna take these. Ooh, a guitar. What's that?
Who are you?
Uh,
One of that. You're one of those mascots here called Freddy Fazbear.
what?
Human Freddy.
Ooh,
Not Freddy Fazbear. You're human Freddy Fazbear.
I am?
Yeah.
Oh, weird.
Want me to give you a
Wait,
tour?
okay.
Okay, well, starting off with the kitchen.
Cool, nice kitchen.
I didn't make it, the owners made it. Don't mind this, but this isn't stone bricks down here.
Okay.
Yeah, don't mind it.
I
This is
hope
the
my dad.
room. That is my boat, but it's off limits. Huh. Oh, here's one of the other mascots. Human Funtime Foxy. He doesn't have a voice box.
Is she or he on?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a human like you, but he
Oh
doesn't have
yeah. Wait. What? Wait, I can't remember. All I remember is meeting a guy, following him for ice cream, and then I woke up here.
Oh, you followed that guy. Okay. What you do is do not pronounce his name.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, but this is a hallway. Those two are hallways. This is what is this room? I can't remember. This is home and
Wait,
Chica's room, I think.
yeah, because it's yellow. Then this must be human Bonnie, and this it's red and yellow. So Goldie and Freddy. But what?
Why is wait? I thought you was brown. Why does it have red?
I like red, so yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. And then over
So
here is the stage.
another stage with human Foxy.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, that is this place. We're not open yet, so this is why this is locked.
Oh my god, look! Come back here and look what it looks like. You remember that new animatronic? I think his name was Helpy.
Yeah.
It looks like that.
Oh my god, it actually does. Well,
Yeah.
I want to see something cool. What I can do.
Yeah, okay. Whoa. Wait. I'm trying to take your feet. I want to check them. Okay, those are not normal feet. They're metal. So yeah.
Yeah, I am
You're
actually an animatronic. I am not a human.
Wait, I remember there were three more. No, actually, five more people around me or something, or more.
That
You
was
were
the
one of
other.
them.
That
You
was
were
the other.
one of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then it was Fountain Foxy, Mango, Chica, Bonnie, and
Let's just say I saved
Goldie.
all your lives
Huh.
by putting them into human animatronics.
Thank you. That was pretty nice of you.
Don't look at me like that.
I wonder when we're gonna be open. Yum.
I don't know. They haven't said anything about opening yet.
Help me.
Funtime Foxy. Funtime Foxy. If you dare hurt the human, more bad consequences would happen to you.
My cake. Yum. Good cake. I'm gonna run now.
You might wanna go to your room where it's safe.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, I got a crib. Yay.
Yeah. Go Quib.
Yeah.
It's because you're the main star of this place. You're the leader of this place. Well, actually, all the
No, I don't think it has been announced who's the owner of this right now?
Well, all I know is the owner is. You're basically the main mascot. Well, all the three on the stage are the main mascots, but yeah, there's only three main mascots.
Wait, I remember Foxy the animal when he wasn't no, not half human. He was an animatronic. He malfunctioned
Yeah, he
and,
did malfunction.
and cut off somebody's head with his hook.
Yeah, that was disgusting. The managers had to clean it up.
Oh man, no. Funtime Foxy's writing something.
Yeah. Okay.
What happened to me again? Oh yeah, you were killed by the same person who killed me. I can't remember his name.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys his name because he should be not named.
He's the one with no name.
Yeah, we don't know his name. All what we call him now is Purple Guy.
Huh.
Oh, you're going into my bots.
No, I'm just jumping on it.
Why are you jumping on my bots?
Because it's pretty jumpy.
For some reason, I don't know how to close the bots. It's like glued to the wall.
Oh, wait. I think I found a button in here somewhere. There. Found it.
Okay, guys, back up. It's closing. Closing. It's closing. There you go, guys. It's closed.
Ooh, cool. Now I can hug it.
Now you can bounce on it more.
I'm gonna hug it.
You realise that this is not a human. You realise this is just a bot, so you're just hugging my bots.
Yeah, but it's made out of wool, so why wouldn't I?
Oh, but I guess it is comfy.
Yeah.
I can agree with that.
Somebody stole a pizza.
Oh, who did that?
I don't know, but...
It was Funtime Foxy. Funtime Foxy, give it back.
Huh. Guys, who wants to have a little slumber party?
I guess so.
I have some veggies we can eat.
Put the pizza back.
No, just keep the pizza. We don't really need it. Okay, get up here so we can eat our veggies. Ooh, this looks good.
Veggies. It reminds me of my skin. That reminds me of the screen. No green things.
Oh, you're most the live screen stuff. What are you doing, Mangle? No, not Mangle. Funtime Foxy, you have a super jump, remember?
Yeah, remember I put you guys have super jumps because animatronics normally have super jumps, and I didn't want you to be left out.
There. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, you didn't get any. Eat some. We still need to eat it. You stole my platter of veggies. My veggies. Is there a chest here?
What? What's in the chest? Pizza. This is where the pizza was. Let me put them back and put them back to
My pizza.
Did you just steal the pizza?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it back. Here's pizza.
Put it back. Yeah, let's put it back. These are for the kids, not for you guys.
Oh yeah, I think there was a problem, so you have to break the chairs to place them. There. Now you can place the pizza.
Okay.
Huh?
Oh, I put the chair back. And I need to fix the floor because I accidentally broke it.
Like, I can hover for some seconds, but then I fall down.
Why is Empty Foxy putting iron bars on the door?
Funtime Foxy, don't do that. We can't. This is gonna maybe be open soon, so we don't know when it's gonna be open.
Yeah, they say that it's gonna open in a month, but Who knows? It probably might be open tomorrow or another day.
Yeah. This is gonna be a really good place. Yeah, okay, so I
Well,
think wait,
how are you?
why do I hear a bell?
Huh?
I
Wait,
hear a
why do you?
bell.
Yeah. What is that bell?
Why is my body going to the stage? Why won't my
Guys, where are your bodies going to the stage? Oh yeah, you guys are possessed. So whenever it's 6 a.m., you guys go back to your stage. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in my box. Okay.
Anyway, hey guys, please remember to like and subscribe. This is a new series we're doing. And remember to subscribe to Dreadbear.
Yeah.
Dreadbear is Puppeteer, and
I hold a Dreadbear series on that channel.
yeah. Also, Funtime Foxy wants to say something. So yeah, and remember to like and subscribe. His channel will be in the description below.
Bye. That's what she said.
Bye!